Oh god, the stream crashed. I'm thinking we're gonna do like one more stage here where you jump on. It's gonna be the opposite. It's too big space there. There we go. We can make this a bit smaller. After this, another checkpoint. There we go. Nice. Alright, so we got that. I should maybe test this out before I do anything further. So this is 42, right? Yep. And this is going to be 43. $44. 45. 46. 47. 50. Dude, all this is almost as big as all of that soon. So that's gonna be exciting. Okay, effortless TP. Oh right, all of these checkpoints are going to be the easy. So it's this one, we gotta do a name. Your name is going to be very easy. Text color is going to be green. Alright, so this is the mini tower. Oh, these are not working. Oh, it's because I put them in the... Okay, well that's an easy fix. Oops. Okay, so I'll go over here. Little walking stage. We go up here. Then it's this stage. Here you gotta jump. Get to you can walk, jump, walk. Skip. Well. Leon. Okay, the level works. Okay, well that's great. Oh. Nice. That's the conveyor belts. We're going to be putting conveyor belts. Okay, that includes these. Okay, and conveyor, there you go. Belts. Okay, so those should work now, I think. Yep, they work now. Okay, great. I am doing very good, thank you. Okay, that looks good. Question is what I'm going to do next. I should do some more of these. Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna make them jump between these. Camel. There. That's not too difficult. Alright, nice. Let's get another conveyor belt. Let's do something real nice. Du ska ha corruption. Det är bäst. There. Looking good. Okay, so we're gonna turn here. Yep. Okay, that's our turn. We're gonna go a bit over here and then turn again. It's difficult to make stages now because I've made so many. Like that. I'm gonna make one with where they turn. Yes, but this is the very easy stage, so it's not going to be too difficult. I get to easy later, it's over there. I want to do so newbies can get to this stage, because this is... when it turns, it's a bit difficult to jump, I think. There. Looks sick. Should make a fading path, maybe? Maybe that's a good idea. Where did I have it? I had it over here somewhere. There we go. Fading parts. I'm gonna use this. Oops. I don't know. Yeah, the stream crashed, sorry. Camel. Oh yeah, that was probably my mom. Alright. I'm not gonna make it turn again. And then we're just gonna continue along way over there. Until we get to the easy stage. Yes, good. And Cookie, do you have any ideas for stages? Because I'm really running out right now. You could probably tell. I'm just making the same things. Okay, I'm gonna join you. Hold on. Alright, I guess. Alright. Where did I end? Was it over here? 48. Yeah, 48 was where I was at. Oh, you found water boots. Nice. Alright. I'm just gonna type in these numbers. So this is going to be 49. This is going to be 50. Hey, we have 50 stages already. And we got all of those over there. Looking good. 51. This is 52. Oh. My cursor's lagging out. $53. 54. And 56. Oh, 6. 57. There's where I'm at. Is it this one? Duke's Tower of Hell. Alright. I don't want to get blasted with music now. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Well, these are towers. It's a bit difficult. Well, maybe it works. We'll see. Towers. Sure. Ooh, wait. Viewing areas. Oh, that's not what I want. Okay, let's see. Which one am I supposed to go in? I'm guessing easy? I'm lagging, dude. Gotta turn that down. Alright, ooh, yeah. We could do some circular jumps. I'm just gonna go through this and just add whatever I see. Let's add some cylinder. I've actually not used cylinders yet. Oh, you found an umbrella. Nice. Okay, size this up both. Camo. Wait, what is, that's the B. Okay, all studs. Oh, didn't change on the top. Well, that's fine. How did they get on the top? Oh, they didn't. Okay. We can do some that are sideways. And once again, do those. And stage done. Alright, let's see. We've got these things. We could walk up. That's another idea. Oh, laggy cursor. Whoa. What is lagging? I've got Steam open. Hold on, I'm just gonna close down a bunch of things. Oops. Oh god. Make it wedge. Camo. B. All are going to be studs. Oh, that looks nice. We can make this a bit brighter so you see what it is, so you don't mistake it. We do another one up here, and then we can do two cylinder jumps. Actually, no, we'll just do normal jumps. Oops. And then another stage. There's going to be one last jump there. Okay. Let's see. Alright, so there's the truss, so I wanted to use that. A button. Okay. Ooh, that could be a good idea. Andrew Cookie, do you think that's a good idea? Buttons for like the parts, the transparent parts? Because that's going to be really easy to make, I think. Might be something. It's a good idea, yes. But Ender Cookie, what do you think? Is Ender Cookie still here? I'm just gonna make a template for it. Yeah, okay. I think we can actually make this button, this stream. Actually, why not? Let's just make it now. It's like a neon. Okay, so when it gets pressed, it gets shut down, and we'll choose a part we're going to change. Yeah. So we'll just do like, we'll do a normal jumping stage, but then two parts are going to be transparent, like these two. Or these three, so you cannot cheat it. And then you continue to jump until you finish. So these two parts, or these three parts here, we can set them to 0.5 in transparency and set them to calculate false. Like that. That's not too visible, set to 0.8. Alright. Oh, we gotta have some way of showing this too. I'm not gonna make that now. But I'm gonna actually script the button. Okay. So this. Let's make a new folder. What are these? Oh, these are just cylinders. Okay. I'm guessing that all of these are in. Did I make my own folder for the very easy? I don't think I did. I did for medium though. Cousin. Yeah, effortless. I'm just gonna put them there. Okay, effortless. There's the easy. Okay, yeah. Okay. So let's go to the server handler, server manager. Okay. Let's make a function for the button press. I'll just call it button handler. And then we'll call that. Okay. So first, we're gonna get all the buttons. So for nothing, comma v in pairs, workspace dot buttons. Oh right, I gotta make the folder first. Folder buttons, and we gotta group this with these. Just put that in the buttons and group them, and yeah, we can just call it model. And then the primary part is going to the button. Workspace dot buttons, get children do if v is a model, because we're gonna check if it is a model. We're gonna check and v find first child button. We're checking for a button, the part here. So we'll do local primary part is equal to v find first child button, or the model, so v dot primary part, and the primary part we set to the button, as you can see here. Alright, nice. So now we're gonna check, so when the primary part is touched, so dot touched connects function, and in this function we get the parameter of hit, because something hits the part. We're gonna check if hit, actually we're gonna check if it's a player that hit it. So if game dot players find first child hit dot parent dot name. Oops. Yep, looks good. Then we're gonna do local, and we're gonna check if it is actually the character that is touching. So if again the players find first child blah 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 dot character is equal to the hit dot parent. Now the hit dot parent is going to be the parent of the actual body part that touches the button. So the parent is the actual character model. So we're checking if the player's character is the character model, then we can continue. So let's see how we're gonna do this. Should make a events folder. Yeah, I already got one. Let's call it button, because we want to do this locally, because we don't want one player to press the button for everyone in the server. That would have been trash. So game.replicate.storage.events, find first child button, fire client, fire the player, which we defined as that. I'm actually just gonna give it that. Make a variable for it. Variable for the player. Send the player through. And of course the model, so v. Right, so now in event manager, where we handle all the events, obviously, we begin replicate search.events, find first child button, and check for the server. Wait, no, what am I doing? It's not a server event. We fire it to the client. So it's the player client. Here we go. So same thing. Game. Replicate search events. Find first child button. Dot on client event this time. Connect function. We get the. We don't get the player actually, because we set that, but when you do an on-client event, you don't need to refer to the player. We only get the button model. Okay, so the local button. So we can just do the same thing as up here. Wait, no, what am I doing? This. Boom. And instead of V, we're going to change that to the button model. Okay. So now we're gonna do primary part. Actually, let's just call it button. So button part dots. We should do a tween. That should look nice. So game dots game get service. Before we do that, and we'll go tween service. So equal to game get service tween service. So the tween service actually makes just an animation for actually pressing down the button. That's what I'm doing right now. So tween service, we're gonna do tween service create. We're gonna create a new animation with the button part, and we're gonna use tween info.new. Let's say 1 second for the tween. We can do a bounce actually, so enum.easing style.bounce. That's like a nice bounce for the button, and then we're of course going to add a goal, which is going to be cframe is equal to button part dot cframe. Cframe is a type of precision, but it's defining. You can basically move things with welds. So if we wanted to make a button that's more detailed and weld parts to it, then we can use C-frames. I'm just using this for safety reasons, so we don't mess that up later. So plus, actually, we're doing. Yeah, let's just do times. We gotta do times because it's a C-frame. So cframe.new. 0 minus 0.5 on the y-axis, and then the 0 there. And then once we're done with this, we're gonna play, and we gotta play a sound, of course. Let's find a good sound for button press or click. Let's just go with that. Sounds nice. Sounds, button, insert the ID into there, boom. Okay. So, I got a server module, so once we actually press it, then oh, why am I going into the event manager? I don't want to be there. Okay, so when we touch it, we also want to make sure so that the player isn't clicking the button twice. Okay, so let's do in the server handler. I'm going to do if the find first child. So if we can find pressed, oops, got caps lock on. So if we can find pressed, then else local pressed value is equal to instance.new, making a new instance, and we're going to make it a boolean value. This is a true or false value. So we're going to check if pressed is true or false. I'm gonna put this in the model, so v, and pressed value dot name is equal to pressed. So we'll check for it. We can actually find it, and pressed value is equal to true. Actually, no, not equal to true. It's just gonna be false at default. So there we go. Okay, so local pressed is equal to pressed is equal to button model, find for job pressed. Model, there we go. So we're gonna check if pressed is equal to false. Done. So we're gonna check if the button is not pressed yet by the client, by the player then. Then we're going to do pressed is equal to true, and then we're gonna continue with this. So, and this is going to do just fine, I think. So now we're going to do for nothing, comma v in pairs, button model, get children, do. I'm gonna check if v is a base part, and v and not v is equal to, actually no, let's just do that. I want to check if v is equal to the button part, then else, because we don't want it to be the button part, then we're going to do v dot transparency is equal to 0, and v dot can collide is equal to true. Okay, did I 57, 58, 59, 60, we're at 60, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna test this button out. It's obviously not gonna work on the first time, but we can try. Okay, let's see. Oops, lagging a bit. Here's the new stage. Yeah, it's not too difficult. You can just walk. Just a walking stage. It's a bit risky to walk, but you gotta jump there. Okay, what? Okay. I know what happened there. It's because I did not anchor these. Neither did I anchor these. There. Is this one anchored? Yeah, this is anchored. Okay, nice. Then you can jump on these. Can walk up this. Oh! Okay, I guess we gotta do... Too many people are gonna be tricked by that. I'm just gonna move him in. Oh. Like that. Move down a bit. There we go. Okay, nice. Let's try it out. Button press. Okay, let's see, did we get any errors? No. Did anything happen? No. Okay, so that's... Okay, let's see. Control and do if V is a model. Oh, hold on. Buttons, if V is a model, V Photoshop button. Yep. if vPhotoshop pressed, then else. And primary part is equal to vPhotoshop button or v.primary part. I'm just gonna do some printing here. There. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it goes to 3. Let's see if it does anything when I touch it. Because it goes to 6. It fires the clients. Something goes wrong here, I think. Oh, I get why. It's because I forgot to type .volume here. That may not be the problem, but I'm gonna guess it is. Okay, press. Oh, it did work. Nice. Okay, I should got it. And then it's not clickable again, I guess. And then press is equal to true, but if we go to the server, we can see that the button is still up for all the other players in the server. And it's just me that pressed it. Yes, good. Yep. For the stuff for the 200 stages, yes. And the lobby was 100. Wait, you're gonna increase it to 2? Really? That's a lot. Hey, sick. Alright, let's remove these stupid prints. There we go. It's still a lot for me. I've never worked and got paid for this. Okay, so that's a new concept we just made, I guess. Alright, so what are we doing next? Let's see, yep, I got kicked. Gotta rejoin. I'm actually gonna... I saw that this took a bit too much time. I'm gonna set that down to like 0.5 or something. Just to be better. You do you, man. Just... Yeah, just take the usual stuff. We don't need the other stuff. Of course. I'm gonna continue with this one. Okay, so Cookie, did you want this to be added? Because I have no idea how to make this. It's like you push on it, then it goes back, and it's only on the client. Oh, well, I just fell down. Okay, so you want that. I'm gonna have to research how to do that because I do not. It has something with physics to do. It's not programming, I know that. For a fact. Because it's not using any code, it's just physics. Yes, the plane. Very nice. Alright, we got the. Okay, so this is the damage part. I want to make this, but I just can't find the skeleton effect, the icon. Do you want damage bricks instead of kill bricks at the beginning? You passed all of the buttons. You pressed all of the buttons. You'll need to backtrack to access the menu. Oh. Oh. That's one way to do it. Oh, you can just jump around. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ooh, I should do these ball jumps. Yeah. Definitely the ball jumps. Let's create a sphere. Zoom in. Yeah, that's camo. Surface was. Yeah, there. Studs. Boom. Wait, what? I don't get it. Under cookie, what? Okay, let's do some ball jumps here. Some are going to be a bit smaller. You want the skeleton? Search obby kits in toolbox. Okay. Obby kits. Okay, and we can actually do that now. Kits. Ooh, I don't want to spawn in something massive right now. Which one is it? Is it this one? Here we go. Yep. I just wanted the effect. I'm not gonna take the brick. I'm making everything myself. Sorry. Particle effect. Thank you. You're gone. Alright. I think I'm actually gonna make this easier for us. Actually, no. Should I make it automated? I probably should. Okay, so all the lava, I'm gonna make it. it's all going to be the, what's the material? Is it granite? Yeah, there we go. Okay. Conveyor and laser. Okay, yeah, we can do some lava or some kill jumps on a conveyor belt. I'm thinking that's probably a good thing. Okay, so replica starts. We'll make a new folder. Call this particles. There. Insert the particle. Call this kill brick, damage brick. Damage brick effects. Okay, so the server manager. With where we find this. Okay, so if the first child damage brick effects, then else local damage brick effect is equal to game replica search dot particles. Oops. Particles, child damage brick effects, clone, and this damage brick effects. The parent is going to be set to the V, right? Yeah, and then damage brick effects dot color. Is that color 3? I think it is equal to color 3. Can you do color 3? Don't know. Color 3 dot new, and then we're gonna do. Actually, we can just do v dot color, right? That works. Should work. Because if I run this real quick. It doesn't. Color sequence. Expected. Oh, sorry. Color 3 dots new. Color. Okay, nope. From RGB maybe? From RGB. Alright. What's your idea? Color sequence? What is a color sequence? Color 3 is equal to color 3 dot new. I'm just gonna anchor those, that's a bit annoying. It's always weird with the coloring. Ooh. Yeah, that can be a stage on the hard stage. That sounds good. I'll try to figure this out. It's a color, but you need to use this. Oh wait, color. No, it says color. From HSV, what is HSV? Requires 3 arguments, okay. Well, we're not using that. Should be done from RGB, right? But then it says color sequence expected. I should go search this up. Okay. Whoops. So apparently you do this. From RGB, and then you do the color. So v.color, right? Still no. Okay. That is weird. I remember something of it being like a brick color. So v.brick color. No. Color sequence. There. Color sequence. Don't new. New color 3. Okay, so v.color. It's so weird. Oh, now it works. Oh, I just wanted that. Okay. Okay, I don't want the particles living that long. Hold on. Do we get lifetime? There we go. Last lifetime. 1.5. That's good. Maybe a bit more in the rates. We don't want to get too much though. Because then it's gonna cause lag. There we go. Let's go that. Because now it's auto. We don't need to put in manually the effects. Okay. We shall continue. Alright, let's see. We got speed pad. I don't think we're gonna use. Well, maybe that's your choice, and Cookie, if you want to use buttons for the speed. Should we make? Yeah, maybe we should make some spinning parts. Why not? Oh, these. Yeah. We should do the swing platforms. Okay. First, let me do. Okay, how are we looking? Okay. So we jump over here. Then we get spinning part. Thank you. I want to see how these look when they got the effects. These should be dark green. Yeah, they're more green than the other ones. Great, so that works. I want these spinning parts. Fading parts, no. Spinning parts here. But I want the one that's precise. Ooh, I want to see this one with effects. It's so exciting. That's good. Shouldn't be too much, right? Alright. The precise spinning part. Oh, this looks epic. Where did I put the spinning part? Spinning part, where? Here we go. Oh, that's not supposed to be laggy. Let's scale that down a bit. There. Okay. That is weird. Where's the one that I made precise? Not that one. Not that one. Here. No. No. This one's precise. Okay, we can use this one. Just drag this over here. Make the color camo. I'm gonna set the speed to like 1. Gonna make it real slow. I'm gonna see how slow it is. That's a good slow. We can make it a bit slower, like 0.5. Okay, let's see. Alright, it's gonna be it for that stage. Okay, let's continue. I wanted to add these, but those are gonna be a bit difficult to create, I think. Oh right, we want to make the damage parts actually damage. Okay, so I'm gonna do. We're gonna do if humanoid dot health minus 10 is less than or equal to 0, then we're gonna TP the player back to the checkpoint. Else, we're going to do human health. So the human health minus, or we can just do take damage. Oops. Take damage. Oh, take damage. 10, and we want to add a debounce. So, oh god, excuse me. Maybe I've got a cold. Hold on. Alright, player info, I'm gonna go add damage debounce is equal to true. And I'm gonna do if player info, I'm gonna add that, so we'll go player info is equal to acquire player dot player info. I'm gonna do if player info dot damage debounce, then we're going to check this. Then damage debounce is false. I'm going to wait. I'm just going to damage time wait is equal to 1 second, so we can just change that whenever we want. Make this its own. I'm just trying to organize my stuff here. Oops. Well, I tried. We've got int values down here. Oh. Wait. Damage time. So player info dot damage time. And then we're gonna do player info damage debounce is equal to true. Again. So that should do it. Humanoid, if humanoid dot health minus 10 is greater or equal to 0, then we teleport it back. Else, yeah. And here, humanoid.health is equal to humanoid.max health. So we set it back to their max. So I want to actually try this out by spawning right here. Nope. Okay, so it should take damage. And there. And it fully regens me. Okay, that actually worked out perfectly. Alright, nice. So once we actually get damaged of these enough, we teleport back to our checkpoint. We never die because that's gonna be a more difficult process. Because if you die, you respawn over here, and then you gotta press this thing. So that's a bit annoying. Okay, let's continue with the stages. Oh god, no, I don't want to fall. I want to know how to make those locally, because I don't know how to make that. I'm really bad with physics and stuff. These plot lines should, okay, repeat. Oh, we could have moving parts. Ooh, that would be nice. Yeah, that's a good stage. That's a good stage. I like that. I like that. Okay, so let's do a bit of normal stage here too. So we'll do like walking. Oops. Let's make the spacing a bit bigger. This one. Oops. Up a bit, and then we make another one of those, and we could have another stage. Boom. Alright, let's make this. Let's make it, I'm just gonna make like the same that they made. So I'm gonna make a straight line. Gonna create these things. They're not going to be too, you're going to be able to jump over them. And you're going to be able to actually stand in between these. Yeah. Looks good. And then maybe here we can have a little jump. Nice. Okay, and that's gonna go a bit further until we reach the next checkpoint. Okay, now this. I'm guessing we're gonna do tweening. So I'm gonna make it folder in the workspace. Call this moving parts. Just gonna put these in there, just so we don't have to do that later. Okay. Okay, now once we do that, we can make the original position and the other one. So these two are going to be grouped. These two are gonna be groups. Ooh, conveyor belt. Yeah, that can be for a future one. I'm just making a introduction for this right now. So model, let's make this the move. So the primary part to that. Move, and so the primary part to that. And this is going to be the position. So yeah, it's going to move from that to that. So it's going to the server handler. Let's do local function moving parts handler. Okay, so I'm gonna call that moving parts. So 24. I think I'm gonna be in pairs. Workspace dot moving parts. Get children do. Hold on. Okay, I'm gonna add tween service up here. So add a new thing for services. Local tween service. I actually added that in here. Tween service, there we go. So we're gonna do if the plan first child move, or I'm gonna do the same thing if v is a model and v first child move, then we'll do local move parts is equal to v first child move, or v dot primary part. So in the move part, pose one. You just gotta pose. And the primary child pose, the local pose part is equal to v primary child. Yeah. And I type pose for precision, not for anything else. I'm gonna make a interval, call this delay, and do like 3 seconds before we move it. I want to make another and v average child delay. So local delay time is equal to v average child delay dot volume. Okay, so we're gonna do a coroutine. So we do local parts or move parts is equal to coroutine.create function. Now a coroutine is basically another script. You're basically creating a script in a script. So this is for managing if you want, because for example I'm in a loop right now. If we want this loop to continue, if we have like 100 of these, we don't want it to stop on one and just wait until we get onto the next one. So that's what coroutines are for. It's basically another script. We're making a new script in a script. So coroutine.resume move part, and here we can do the wait. So wait delay time, and then once we wait to the delay time, Actually, we can make a while waits. Oh, while waits delay time. Yeah, we actually gotta do wait delay time. So wait delay time. We're gonna do tween service. Create. And I'm actually gonna do a int value, and this is going to be speed. This is going to be the speed of the moving part. I'm gonna set these to 2 and make another and give out just speed, then the local speed or tween speed, and then that's going to be VFX speed the volume. So I'm hoping this is going to be fine. I think so. So we're going to create the move part. We're going to insert that into the tween because that's what we're going to tween. And then we're going to use tween info dot new. We can do tween info, and then we got to do tween speed. And that should be it, right? We can use enum dot easing style dot balance again. That's pretty nice. And then we're gonna create a table. We use C-frame again is equal to position part dot C-frame. It's actually that simple. And then we just do play. And we'll do local original pose is equal to move part dot actually original, yeah, dot C-frame. Original C-frame instead. Okay, so I'm gonna do local db dbounce is equal to instance.new, or is equal to b child dbounce or instance.new dbounce, or sorry, boolean value. Put this in the no, put it in the model. Dbounce dot name is equal to dbounce. So I'm gonna make a dbounce for actually setting which way we're going. So we're gonna check if dbounce dot value is equal to false. Then we're gonna go here. And I'm gonna do dbounce dot value is going to be true. And then else if it is not, then we're gonna set else if dbounce is equal to true, then we're gonna continue with dbounce is going to be false, and we're gonna move that towards the original position. So original C-frame. I think that should be it, actually. It's not gonna work now, of course, but I'm gonna see how it goes. Okay. This is working, but I'm actually gonna remove the bounce. That was a bit too intense. Speed goes up to like 4 seconds, and this one, I'm actually gonna set this to 6. Actually, I'm gonna do the double there. Wait, what? Wait, no, not speed. 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Let's do 3 seconds on speed. The delay. Got 4 seconds there. Which one is this? This is going to be 8 seconds. Okay. So when that goes, okay, so then it starts working. Okay. We gotta make this one do like 1 second. What if we do? What if we do wait delete time? So we'll do 4 for both of these. This is brainstorming right now. So this one starts. Yeah? Okay. I'm actually gonna have to end the stream here. Kind of awkward moment because I've got to go eat and a cookie. I am gonna keep working on this. Yep. Good stream. Got a lot done. We implemented the button, the fitting parts. We did the kill parts, automated. A lot of great stuff. We can make a lot of new stages now. I just gotta have the ideas for it. So yeah. Next stream, don't know when, but probably in the weekend or maybe even tomorrow. We'll see. Yep. I'm gonna have to look more into other stuff. Yep. Okay.